Hello there guys, what is going on? This is a market wrap up for week 23. We're going to start off quickly with the pound cable. The red line here always denotes when the week has actually started for us. So this would be when I did the market outlook. This red line here before the red line, this is all the information we had at the time before posting that video. So this was quite a nice one. We had our range here very nicely identified, nice and clear. We have our lows, highs, up and down, all in the range, and then also we have some stop hunts there before prices comes back down into the range and back down to the support levels here. So as the market opens, I said whenever the market hits the level here, we're going to buy, and then when it hits the top, it's going to sell. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like almost 6 trades there. I didn't get all of them, but the areas there that were hit, we can just highlight them there. And the range was about, I think it was about 80 pips. This, let's just have a look here. The range, yeah, about 77 pips inside the playing field there. The one that I really traded, and the one that I took, was this one over here. If I highlight this here, that area over there, the reason for that is because the 200 moving average was also very close by, and then the 200 moving average plus a confirmed range was the best trade for me for this pair. So that was about 70 odd pips for that one. And then for the euro dollar, again, the red line here denotes when the market has opened for us in the week. Just have a quick look here. This is all the information we had at the time. Yeah, so we have this little trend line coming down, and then that is it. I would have liked the market to trade below this because I was looking for shorting opportunities, but it didn't happen for us this week. But clearly we can see this here is a trend line, and if we had extended that trend line from the information we had, this was information we had, and then this is where the week opens, and then extend that line, then this here was a nice area to try and find a manipulation and then a shorting opportunity. So the fundamental bias for me was looking for shorts anyway. So this was a nice trade from there to the moving average. Again, another 60 odd pips for me. And then I was looking to go short underneath this area here. I explained in last week's market outlook. Have a look at that video. It explains this trade that I would have liked to take here at the bottom, but instead market has moved up toward a confirmed trend line, and then we took prices down. The next one here is the pound versus the yen. This is a very nice one. I was looking to buy at 154.30. Again, if you look at the video that we did last week, the market okay, I'm going to link the video up here somehow, and then what we're going to do is then you'll see that before this move actually happened here, I've highlighted the zone, and that's not because of any crystal ball or anything. It had a lot to do with this time frame here. This is the same chart on a different time frame. We were trading at this point when I did the video, and then I said that I would have liked to buy at 154.30 levels. When it hits the 134.50, there was a nice setup there. If you look at what happened here, taking these lows into consideration plus that highs on the top there, it was a 78.6 level that I was looking at buying. So that was also about, I didn't get all of this. I just took the prices as it was going there and then selling it, or not selling, closing the position, closing the buy position there. The last one for me, the New Zealand dollar. Okay, remember this red line here denotes where my week actually started. This is the market forecast for, so all this information that we have before this red line, that's all we had on the Sunday. So we had this as a trend line, and then information stops there. That's all we had. So this is all that we could play off of. So this is a trend line. So I was more planning to trade this as a break above here, and then a like a retest and then a move back up, but that doesn't happen. As we can see, the complete opposite happened here. Now we can extend it as the week goes on. Prices breaks through here, but no follow through. Like we wanted a follow through there and a retest like this and then to go up, but that doesn't happen. So this became a swing. So that now is your trend line, and instead of going up, it's come all the way down. So it's broken this trend. So it's broken this bottom trend line here, the one that's coming all the way from the bottom here, all that, it's broken all that, and then here prices has come down from there, breaks through this trend line, breaks through that trend line, and then we have a move up there, and then prices has come breaking through there. So I didn't trade it short here. I was looking for that long, even though fundamentally short was for me the better idea. So that was it for the week. Later on today, I'm going to post the market outlook for the week, and also I'm doing a live trading session for the week. I'm testing out this new Telegram group where I'm going to take a live account and trade it with signals and everything to a Telegram group. You can get that information at the bottom and join the group if you want. Okay guys, thanks a lot. See you later. Bye bye. Forgot to mention here on the euro versus the yen, we also took a trade. So we had a trend line coming down here. So we had this information on before the red line, before the week starts, and I said I would like to see prices go down. But what has actually happened was prices moved up against the idea up to the trend line, and then looking for a sort of manipulation in this area to take prices down. So took prices down to the 200 moving average there. So that was also about 80 odd pips. Thank you. Bye bye.